If you're an e-commerce business that wants to capitalize on this year's Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales season, we have compiled a list that will help make sure you're prepared for Black Friday and will increase your sales. These are the 15 things to do before Black Friday that will skyrocket your sales. Hello, I'm Daisy from Raxon. Welcome to the channel that helps your small business get online and prosper online. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and do this, so that you're the first to be notified when there are new videos released. Did you do it? Let's get started. The Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend is fast approaching once again. With over $5 billion in sales through Shopify stores during last year's Black Friday/Cyber Monday weekend, if you're in e-commerce, it's time to make sure you're prepared. Remember, no matter where you are located, e-commerce is a global business. This means that if you can ship it, you can capitalize on the Black Friday shopping spree. Number 15. Prepare early. There are some months of the year when most sales occur. The same way sales increase in the beginning of summer, the Black Friday sales event is a catalyst to the rest of your holiday sales season. In the United States, Black Friday is always the day after Thanksgiving Day, which falls on the fourth Thursday of November. If you're wondering when you should start to prepare, the answer is right now. Normally, the months prior to these events are the slowest. Take that time to prepare. If you aren't ready on time, the sales may not meet your expectations. Number 14. Track your performance. It's important that you track your metrics through Google Analytics and your store's analytics, plus your email provider and any other channels that you use, like Facebook or Instagram. Once the sales weekend is over and the dust has settled, you'll need to understand what went well and what could have been deployed differently so that you can make your next sale even more of a success. Number 13. Make it easy for people to buy. You will want to make it as easy as possible for people to buy from you. Services like Klarna enable your customers to spread their payments. Allowing your customers to pay in installments makes it more likely they will buy. You get the money up front, Klarna collects the money from the customer over the agreed period. It's a win-win. Number 12. Build customer trust. While Black Friday buys are more impulsive, people still need to trust who they're buying from. Adding customer reviews to your site helps reassure potential customers that you're a reputable brand. While listing trusted payment methods like PayPal and major credit cards builds that feeling of reassurance. A well-written About Us page also helps build a sense of trust and familiarity. Number 11. Increase your email subscriber list. Encourage people to sign up for your newsletters by incentivizing them with previews of upcoming sales or sending exclusive discounts. This will help them engage with your brand and make them easier to contact when your sales are launched. Also, do not abandon those subscribers. Establish campaigns to send them information at least once a month so that they do not feel abandoned and spammed when they finally receive that sales event notification. Use the 4-to-1 approach when creating these campaigns. Send groups of 4 information emails and 1 offer per campaign. Number 10. Instill a sense of urgency today. Create a sense of urgency around your sale in your ad copy and on-site content. If you let your customers know you have limited stock, or if it's an imminently ending sale, these factors help nudge your visitors towards hitting the Add to Basket button. Try adding a countdown timer on your product page that tells people how many minutes they have left to qualify for next day delivery. Bear in mind that Black Friday purchases are often impulse buys. Adding a little bit of persuasion helps get those items into shopping baskets and through the checkout. Number 9. Use retargeting to capture past visitors and customers. Capitalize on the increased browsing activity of bargain hunting customers by using retargeting. Retargeting enables you to follow people who may have added products to the basket, looked at a particular item, or made a purchase. It really just means that you're able to remind them of something they looked at on your site recently, on other forums like Facebook or Instagram. giving them the opportunity to come back and finish the purchase or buy something else. Number 8. Implement abandoned cart emails and make use of discount codes. If you don't have an abandoned cart email series, now's a good time to set one up. These can be utilized as part of your email marketing strategy. Utilizing an email service provider such as Klaviyo may be of help. If you don't have an email service provider, you can still send a single follow-up cart abandonment email via your Shopify store. Start by editing your settings in Shopify and enabling the abandoned cart reminders. The idea is that if a visitor adds a product to the basket, and for some reason, doesn't actually buy it, a series of emails is sent to entice them back and make it easy for them to return to the basket and complete the purchase. These emails can incorporate incentives like discount codes or free shipping to increase the chance of a sale. With an average e-commerce cart abandonment rate of 69.8%, Black Friday is a great time to implement these emails and capture those lost sales. Number 7. Use emails to promote your upcoming Black Friday sale. Build up a sense of anticipation with your email database. Let your subscribers and past customers know a sale is coming with a series of teaser emails. Perhaps give them a sneak preview of a deal, or let them know when your sale is launching so they don't miss out. Number 6. Wish upon a wish list. Implement a wish list on your online store in the approach to the Black Friday Cyber/Monday weekend. This allows customers to save products for later if they're not quite ready to buy. We all know the power of the letter to Santa. Having a wish list as well as letting them share this list with friends and family on social channels equals free marketing. Number 5. Plan out your sale and discounts. With your Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, plan out the whole weekend. Will deals change as the weekend progresses? Can you maximize revenue by strategically promoting certain lines at certain times? Do you have a killer deal that you can use to launch your sale to hook people in and capture their attention? Don't forget the power of the upsell and cross-sell. Try installing an app like Cart Convert, which suggests additional products to your customers based on what they've shown an interest in. Buying a hat? Perhaps they'd also like the matching gloves? Or maybe they could be tempted to spend a bit more and hit the threshold to take advantage of free shipping. It's a great way to easily increase your average order value. Give it a try. Number 4. Prepare landing pages, images, and other creatives to promote your sale. Once you've got your sale planned, you need to get your creatives ready. Irresistible. It's time to shout about it with enticing imagery, bold banners, and eye-catching GIFs. People still read words too. Shoppers are typically more receptive to ads during the seasonal holidays, which is good. However, there's also a lot more competition for their attention, so make sure you stand out from the crowd. Number 3. Assess and improve your website's user journey. The best way to find out how people move around your website, where they click, stumble, or why they leave without buying is by looking over their shoulders without them knowing. Achieve this by using the live view inside your Shopify store. It gives you so much valuable data and enables you to identify changes you should make to your site to make it easier for your visitors to find what they want and buy more products from you. Number 2. Ensure stock, fulfillment, and support are all ready. Before you even think about your online store, you need to ensure your back-of-house processes are up to speed. If sales go through the roof thanks to a successful sales and marketing strategy, you need to ensure you have the infrastructure to fulfill them. Make sure your inventory, fulfillment, customer support, and returns processes are all robust enough to deal with the influx of business. If you anticipate running out of some products, use it as an opportunity. Utilize an out-of-stock notification app on your store, like the Back in Stock and Restock Alert app. It enables customers to leave their details if their chosen product is unavailable. They will then be automatically notified by email or SMS when their item is back in stock, and they can click straight back to the product to complete the purchase. Grow your contact database, sell more products, and provide a great customer experience. Number 1. Your product descriptions and images should be as detailed as possible. The only setback the internet cannot achieve yet is the hands-on experience of touching, sampling, or even measuring the item your customer is about to purchase. Make sure your descriptions and pictures are as detailed as possible. Simply putting a title and an SKU to an item won't do anymore. Even videos can help bring your item to life. Your product page is the only thing your customer will see. If you do not include enough detail to the product and do not provide enough images to show what it is they will get, the customer may get the impression that you do not care. Long gone are the days when the phrase, "If you build it, they will come," applied to e-commerce. There is simply too much competition. Since 2020, almost every business has an online store. This does not mean it's too late to start yours though. Not everyone wants to stand in line or camp outside a mall in a tent anymore. If you bring the offer to the buyer, they will prefer to buy it in the comfort of their own homes. So, if you have yet to open an online store, you may want to take a look at Shopify. I recommend it because I use it and it has not let me down. One last tip: have a returns and refund policy prepared and include its details in your store's pages. How you process these returns will vary according to your product. For example, some food sellers do not allow returns, while others do not refund payments, but instead provide a store credit. When a return occurs, which they will, you will be able to clarify any issues that may arise more easily because everyone will already know what is expected of them.